Astro Excel for the week of 9/16/2024. Sunday night we peaked out on the green line at the plus 10 level. We're heading downhill. Downhill till Wednesday about 2 a.m. Wednesday morning, 2 a.m. Wednesday we get a very sharp move up all day to the plus 20 line. It's a very strong move here. And then Thursday we're pushing back down and then down through Friday to the close. So we got pretty good movement on the green line, with the strongest piece being this move up Wednesday. Blue line, some important peaks. 1800 today. Tuesday spike peak 11 a.m. Another nighttime peak 2100. Big spike peak here at 3 a.m. Wednesday. During the trading session 11 on Thursday. And then this spike Friday at 5 a.m. down to that low point. As always, look for confluence of direction on the two lines to be a little bit more of a more reliable trend potential. I'll come back and do another video tomorrow with the trend segments for the rest of the week.